guys, and welcome back to my channel German with Julia. In today's video you will learn two new verbs. Verb number one is to speak, and verb number two is to learn. So by the end of this video you can say I speak certain language, and you can say I learn certain language. Now let's begin. In German language, to speak means sprechen, sprechen. The first two letters you pronounce as sp. It's not sp, it's sp, sprechen, 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 to speak. Now to say I speak, you might know that I in German language is ich, right? Ich. And for this, the verb will change. As you can see, ich spreche. There's an I at the end. Du sprichst, you speak. ST at the end. And Sie sprechen. Sie sprechen means you speak. This is the formal way. We always address a person as Sie in a formal way, and Du is informal. Now let's repeat. Ich spreche, I speak. Du sprichst, you speak. Sie sprechen, you speak. Now you can say I speak, ich spreche. Now languages, we have to put at the end of the verb a sound sh. S-C-H, sh. For example, Deutsch, German, Französisch, French, Spanish, Spanish, Italienisch, Italian, Japanisch, Japanese, Chinesisch, Chinese. You hear that sh all the way at the end of the word. Französisch, Italienisch, Spanish, Russisch, Russian. So we always write SCH at the end. And to say I speak certain language, you just say ich spreche Deutsch. Ich spreche Spanisch. Ich spreche Französisch. Ich spreche Russisch. Ich spreche Polnisch. Ich spreche Japanisch. Ich spreche Chinesisch. And so on. I speak German. Ich spreche Deutsch. Got it? Now let's move to the question. The questions will always start with the W word, right? Now in German, to say which languages do you speak, which is welche. That's our W word, the question word. Welche, welche. Now you need to know languages. What is the word languages in German? Now it's very similar to the word to speak. To speak is sprechen, you remember, sprechen. And languages is Sprachen. Sprechen, Sprachen. Sprechen, Sprachen. It has the same root. So to make a question, what languages do you speak? We simply say, welche Sprachen, languages, sprichst du? Speak you, if you translate word by word. Welche Sprachen sprichst du? Welche Sprachen sprichst du? This is the informal way of questioning. And the formal way You remember that's the Sie we always say. And in this case, you would say, welche Sprachen sprechen Sie? Welche Sprachen sprechen Sie? This is the formal you. The rest is the same and the verb, of course, it changes. Welche Sprachen sprechen Sie? This is the formal way. Now let's recap. Ich spreche Deutsch. I speak German. Question. Welche Sprachen sprichst du? Welche Sprachen sprechen Sie? Sprichst du, sprechen Sie. Informal, formal. Okay, now let's move to the second verb. To learn, lernen, lernen. So to say I learn or you learn, formal, informal, as we did before for the verb to speak, you would say ich lerne. Ich lerne, I at the end. Du lernst, you learn. Und Sie lernen. Sie lernen, that's the formal way. Ich lerne, I learn. Du lernst, you learn. Sie lernen, you learn. Now, to say I learn certain language, same as I speak certain language, you would say ich lerne Deutsch. Ich lerne Französisch. Ich lerne Spanisch. Ich lerne Italienisch. Ich lerne Russisch. Ich lerne Japanisch. Ich lerne Polnisch. And so on. Same as I speak, I learn. Ich spreche, ich lerne. Okay. Now the final one is, how do you ask a person, what language do you learn? Welche? Again, we have to use this W question word. And then we can say, welche Sprachen lernst du? That's the informal. And welche Sprachen lernen Sie? Welche Sprachen lernst du? Welche Sprachen lernen Sie? Got it? Now let's just summarize. In this video you learned a verb to speak, sprechen, and the verb to learn, lernen. Ich spreche Deutsch. I speak German. Question. Welche Sprachen sprichst du? What languages do you speak? And the formal way is, welche Sprachen sprechen Sie? Welche Sprachen sprechen Sie? What languages do you speak? The formal way. And the verb to learn, lernen. Ich lerne Deutsch. I learn German. Welche Sprachen lernst du? What languages do you learn? And welche Sprachen lernen Sie? What languages do you learn in the formal way? Now you learn two verbs. You can use them in your basic conversation, speaking with your friends or people that you don't know. You can practice those two verbs, and I hope you liked the video. If you do, click the like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos. I will be happy to teach you more interesting things and hope to see you soon. Take care. Tschüss.